welcome to our lovely chocolatey man of Jewel chapter, Sri Karthik Bandaji from Chocolate Hall. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the intro. Happy chocolate morning.
Happy chocolate morning.
Yeah. Yes, as said, I'm Karthik. So I'll introduce myself. I've been introduced myself. Now I'll introduce about my company, why we are into chocolates and all. I'll just give you the small information. Yeah. Why did we start a chocolate manufacturing unit? In the year 95, there was an article in the newspaper saying many imported chocolates being dumped in the Indian market, which are consumed a lot by our people, and doing so, they are facing all ill health issues and all, just because the products which are dumped in India market were almost expired. That was noticed by my mother, and she had a conversation with my dad. This is really bad. What we can do in it. As dad was trading raw materials of chocolates, and he informed my mother how to make chocolates and all. Since then, the journey began. She got enthusiastic to make a chocolate, and her desire was to give a good product to the nation. And that's how our product's been started. And I all the time say in my 30 seconds presentation that we make pure chocolates. What do you think? What does a pure chocolate mean? Anybody can just answer me? Yes?
40% cocoa.
See, a product which has around 40% of cocoa fat, that is cocoa butter fat. Yes, that's a cocoa butter what you see. That is a good product which actually cures a lot of now see, I've just mentioned for heart diseases, for blood pressure control, for skin diseases, pimples is a major problem, and it reduces even the body fat. That is one of the major advantage of this cocoa butter fat, and that's the reason it's being used in cosmetics and medicines. Now, product branding. Once we felt our product was appropriate to serve to the consumers, so we have named our chocolates Times Chocolates with the slogan "Makes a difference always." Means consume our chocolate, which will change your mood to a better mood. Yes. Our motto was to educate a customer in serving what we are serving and why they should consume a good chocolate. We have made another trial before starting our store. We've been giving chocolates to many retail stores outside. They were much interested in kitna percent milta hai. And they just used to sell the chocolates without informing any positive information about the product at all. They were just, yes, it's a common businessman strategy. We wanted to educate a customer why he has to eat a chocolate and what are the advantages by eating a good chocolate. So that made us to start our store. And the first store was launched on 28th January at Snow World, which is at Lower Tangban. And then we have stores now. We have 8 stores at IMAX, Snow World, East Street, Inorbit Mall, Infosys, Microsoft, and we do keep our XP stores in many of the MNCs. That is for a week's time in a particular MNC. And then, yes, these are the stores where the model stores of ours. Yes. And what kind of chocolates we make? We make dark chocolates, which are of 45%, 60%, 70%. What does this percentage mean? That is the way the percentage is increasing. That means the sugar level in the chocolate is being reduced. And the dark it is, the good to your health. We have milk chocolates. Milk and sugar is being added to the dark chocolate. That is what we are being made by the different brands in the Indian market that, chocolate bolito, it has a sweet note only. And then we even make white chocolates, sugar-free chocolates. Yes, it can be consumed by diabetic. And then we have liquor chocolates. In that we have liquor chocolates with rum, scotch and vodka. Varieties of chocolates we offer. Plain chocolates. Yes, chocolates with natural extracts like orange, mocha, chili, mint, strawberry, mango. We take the pulp and make the chocolates. And then caramels like orange, mocha, ginger, crispy. This is how the caramel looks like in the center of the chocolate. And then we have truffles. Truffles is nothing but a soft chocolate which is really good, a chewy stuff. The same we have in almonds, orange, mocha. And then we have nut paste, that is like the crushed nuts formed into the paste. This is how it looks in the center of the chocolate. Yeah, perfect gifting for in-house occasions. We have good chocolate boxes, gift boxes. Right from rupees 35 onwards, we have a solution to give gifts for the consumers. Right from 35 rupees onwards, and there is no limit. Whatever they ask for in the budget, we can develop a product for them. These are some of the chocolate boxes which we regularly sell. This is one of the baby shower that's been picking up in Indian market, wherein people ask a lot. Yes, it's a baby shower time. They want to introduce their baby girl or baby boy in their family. This is what they basically opt for their return gifts. Yes, customized chocolates. I keep saying we do a lot of customized chocolates. Now one of the customized chocolate is there in front of you people. Like we've made, I apologize before I saying, some people didn't get that. Probably in the next meeting, definitely they get that. Yes. These are this is where we give life in the chocolate. We not only make you express, we even make the chocolate express. You don't say much, your chocolate says everything. Yes, the love and affection what you show to the person to whom you want to present chocolate, yes, we create that and give you. Now see, these are the edible images on the chocolate. Well, it's with a blend of dark chocolate and white chocolate, and on top of it you have the image with the messages, which is completely edible. For kids, we have lollipops. For engagement ceremonies, we keep giving in this way. Yes, I thank once again Dheeraj sir. He had given me opportunity to give a chocolate for a daughter. Yes, and even the wrapper was customized for him on the chocolate they got it. Yes, we even do this. We even give logos on chocolates. This is how we can create your logo on the chocolate. I mean, like when you give a chocolate to somebody, you keep saying, XYZ brand is there on it. Why that? You can get on your brand when you want to give it to your customer or your relatives or anyone. I mean, like give with your brand. It makes sense. It shows the kind of value that you had given to the product when you had gifted him something. Theme-based chocolates. And again, there is another concept where we are specialized at. For weddings, we give, for weddings, engagement ceremonies, birthdays, baby shower. This is what we basically do. I mean, like whatever the theme is, we create a model and we give it. I mean, it looks good for the display purpose as well as for the gifting purpose. Yes, everything is eatable in that. Another concept of ours, we make chocolate bouquets. It's a good way to present your love and affection again. You give flowers. What happens by giving flowers? A moment it gets into the bin. If it's good, they keep it on the table probably for a day or two, then it just gets into the bin. Now here, we give chocolates, which looks like a flower, rosebuds, or we can even give anything in that, wherein you are memorable to the person on every bite they eat. We even do this customized bouquets, like different kind of images. We can just place them and we can give it to them. I mean, like, different age groups we can give. If you want to give some to a person who is 25 years old, if you have a collection of all the 25 years, please give it to me. I'll share that on the bouquet, wherein, the love, affection which you had for that particular person, which lasted for 25 years, will be easily seen on it. These are the pan-coated chocolates. Now, it's a very critical product. You don't see much of this product in the market. On each and every nut, we give chocolate coating. We have almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, raisins, blueberry, cranberry, all done. These are each and every individual nut is being coated with chocolate. Yes, it's really good when you consume a full nut with a whole chocolate. And these are the desserts we serve. We serve mousse, truffle cups, tarts, cake, chocolate fountain. We do even give our services to catering industry for their events. We do it on order basis, exclusively only in chocolate combinations. Our online sales. Our online channel partner is Mr. Imani Sir, ONS Solutions. He looks after our complete online sales and the services. He's also developed a new concept called hourly giftings with chocolates. I request Imani to explain about that for 10-20 seconds, please, if you don't mind.
Thank you, Chocolatier Mr. Karthik. The hourly gifting is something where you like to make a surprise of your beloved. In the morning 6:30 we gave a gift, and we repeat at 8:30 again, 10:30, 12:30, 2:30, like every hour or two, whether the person is there at home, at office, at vegetable market, at cinema theater, at a restaurant, anywhere in the city, our gift follows them. And the gift follows with where the person can announce as so and so place the person going to be there. That is the one way where we help. And the second way is stating that we have a watchdog. The person will be following them as and when they go. Okay, this is how we make the particular hourly gifting service. In this, we give different type of gifts which are all made with the chocolates. Thank you. And before I complete the chocolate specialty, what Mr. Karthik produces, how to make a difference between the market chocolate and the chocolate provided by Karthik, he'll explain.
Thank you, sir. Sir, these are our achievements. We were announced as one of the best chocolatiers in India by Times of India, New Delhi, in the year 2012. Among the top 5, we were one among them. And then we were the one to introduce this chocolate fountain concept in the Indian retail market. Our first launch was done at Prasad IMAX. And then we were the one to create a replicated chocolate World Cup, which was completely made with chocolate. And that was covered by the media channels, nationally, internationally as well. This was the World Cup and the cricket pitch ground with the bat and the ball. And that was the cup lifted once we won the cup. That was 4 years back. So chocolates preferred areas, where all chocolates are preferred. So a minute. For wedding parties, baby showers, birthday parties, return gifts, Diwali gifts, Dasara gifts, Eid gifts, Christmas gifts, New Year's, and Valentine gifts. Yes, wherever your love is, wherever you want to dedicate yourself, we are there for all the services. So these are our clients to whom we keep giving our services with customized boxes, with chocolates filled in the boxes. That too customized. These are the customized boxes look like, with Happy Diwali or whatever they want to give on the chocolates can be given. And this is for the Happy Valentine's Day. We can give you a Valentine image and a message, whatever you would like to announce them. Sir, I request you to connect me to the MNCs, car showrooms, star hotels, construction companies, banks, wedding planners, event managers, and any organization or any person who is looking for a return gift. We are there to serve them at the doorstep. I once again say, chocolate is a food of gods and consider tastier food on earth. Eat a dark chocolate every day, which keeps you fit. So before saying thank you, I would like to say one thing. How you can identify if the chocolate is good or bad. So when you eat a chocolate, if you feel that the chocolate is melting completely, it should not even stick on your tongue nor remain on your teeth. If so happens, it means it is made either with vegetable fat or animal fat. Once a product is made with cocoa butter, the chocolate dilutes completely in your mouth. That means nowhere in your body the chocolate fat will stick on. You don't need to bother about the fat which is producing in your body. Thank you, sir. Thanks for the opportunity given.
Now we all know our goal